Do you ever feel like you have nothing to wear? Well, maybe you don't. Maybe you have a closet filled with clothes, but you only wear the same 5 things over and over again. Today, I will be going over how to build your dream closet and build the best closet collection ever. Now, the best closet collection is what's best for you now. Not what was best for you 5 years ago, not a past you, not a version of you that you never were, you right now. I used to have an addiction to clothes. I would buy clothes all of the time. Whenever I'd go thrift shopping, especially, since the clothes are a lot more affordable, I would buy and buy and buy. Anything that remotely looked good, anything that I kind of liked, I would buy it. Now eventually this led to a problem because I had so many clothes. I had 3 closets. I would store clothes under my bed. I bought special storage units for clothes. Different seasons, I would switch out my clothes. I'd have a winter closet, a summer closet, and I just had so many clothes. And I found myself only wearing the same 5 items. So now I had a problem. I have all of these clothes that I just kind of like. A couple of them I really like, but the majority of them were okay, or I didn't even like them that much. Last year, I read a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. The book claims that it will change your life, and it definitely did for me. Around that time, I was really stressed and had a lot going on, and I really wanted some positive change in my life. So I researched some self-help books that could help me out, and I stumbled upon this one. I ordered it and I read it within 1 or 2 days. The book talks about having so much stuff that you don't need, how that can cloud your head and make it hard for you to think. This made a lot of sense to me because whenever I had a task to do or a big event coming up, the first thing that I would do is tidy up, clean up, make sure my environment is nice and I want to be in it. So I was immediately bought into the process. Now the process of this book is putting everything of one type together in a pile away from everything else. So for example, you'd put all of your shirts in one pile. Every single shirt in the house you'd add to this so you could see just how many shirts that you have. Here's a picture of me with my pile of shirts. As you can see, it was quite large, but I worked through it. Then you go through each item or each shirt in this example one by one to see if it sparks joy. And then if it sparks joy or makes you happy, then you keep it. And then if it doesn't, you discard it. Anyway, you do this process with every single type of item. You do your shirts, your pants, your shoes, your jewelry. Now I did this process with my whole house, but if you just want to do your closet, that could be a great starting point. By the end of this, I had 40 to 50 bags for donation. Now, while I was going through my closet, I discarded items that didn't fit anymore, that had discolorations, that were see-through, that were low quality. Anything that I didn't want representing me right now, I discarded. I also made sure that any items from previous versions of myself in old styles that I had, that I also discarded, because that was me from the past. That's not me now, so I just wanted it to represent me right now, to give me the max opportunities in my closet. By going through this process, I created my dream closet. Now my closet is filled with items that I really love. Now I'm able to open my closet and it's much easier for me to pick clothes to wear because it's only items that I really love. This is how I learned not to overconsume. Now I'm familiar with the feeling of knowing if something in my closet is not right for me anymore. I have a donation spot in my house, so if I do feel this way about a particular item, then I can put it in that pile right away and immediately separate it from the clothes that I do still really love. Now this process has also affected how I shop. Before, when I was shopping, I would only buy clothes that I kind of liked, or I would buy clothes because it was something I thought I would like. Now when I'm shopping, I'm very selective. I only buy clothes that I really like, that fit me well, and are very good quality. This has helped me build a closet that I really love, and I continue to build and refresh. I'll make a video shopping to go over this process and how I select items. Overall, I think this is the first step in creating your dream closet. The first thing that you have to do is clear out any items that you do not like or that don't represent you. Then you can start at a good base condition and work your way up to making your dream closet, because now you have room for the clothes that you like and you know what you're missing, so you know what you can buy to fulfill those gaps. Feel free to ask me any questions about this process. I'd love to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.